You people, I haven't vlogged today from today morning because I had to come keep my suitcase, yesterday's work done and stuff. But then the food here is totally Sattvic food and I'm eating Sattvic food and it's so beautiful. I'll have to show you. I'll take a few clips and show you around sometime. It's just beautiful. There are ducks, there are several birds here which I totally love and enjoy. Now I'm gonna go and have some food at this place called Brahma Bhoj Nala. I'm gonna go and eat it. Eating this is some dal with some rice, and that's bhindi with some roti and some buttermilk. No buttermilk. I don't know what it is. Yeah, something. Some chai. Trust me, there's everything. There's chai, there's sweet milk, there's sweet chai. No, I'm not drinking chai, sorry, I'm drinking coffee. I haven't tasted it as of now. So there's coffee, there's chai, there's sweet milk, there's everything. I'm gonna drink it even though it's 40 degrees, almost 40 degrees Celsius outside. I'm gonna drink the coffee, yeah, because I won't have to stay awake.
ओम शांति। सदा ही मानव मन नई नई प्राप्तियों की खोज करता रहा है। उसकी वह खोज कभी स्थूल विज्ञान के संसाधनों की रही तो कभी
करते हैं, पता नहीं क्या चुरा करके ले जाएगा, क्या कर देगा, भरोसा नहीं होता। तो हमारी संस्था
Look at the size of this fan, it's so big. It's literally covering the whole oil.
हम अक्सर देखते हैं कि अबोध बालक बिना किसी कारण रोते हैं या हंसते हैं। पूर्व जन्म की स्मृतियां ही
Guys, I'm wearing this. Today we are going, so this is a place called Shantivan. It's a ground area which is just built. Now we are going to go to the spiritual place, which is about like an hour from here. It is about basically how the founder of this particular organization started and how things are there. So I'll show you around there. Now I'm a little out of time, so I'm going to run towards the place where I have to go to. So yeah, see ya. We just visited the art gallery and trust me, it's so cold here. It's not that hot. It is literally like very cold, and I feel so calm here. And there was an art gallery which showed us the four yugs, and but then photography was not allowed. I took pictures and videography and photography how much ever I could. Now we are heading towards a different place. So yeah, see ya. I'm eating something in Maharashtra. We call it Karvanda. Papa has it too, and it is called Karavanda, and it's one of the most delicious food ever. It is really high nutrition. So I'm eating this and leaving towards the next place. are horses here. Hello, horse. And there is a beautiful lake. So, yeah, can you all see it? It is so beautiful. This is a man-made lake, by the way. I wanted to do this activity and my father feels that I'm gonna be scared. Why, Papa? Stop. But then still now I feel that I should calm down because I have to travel. But let's see what to do. I'm clearly not scared. But let's see what happens. I'm telling my Papa. Waste. Papa is telling it's waste and he's like you should not go. But I so wanted to go and do the activity. Such a beautiful look. I love it. Some chana. Thank you, Didi. Welcome. Enjoying the chanas. Sitting on this horse, and this particular child just left me with the horse in the middle, and the horse is just running, and I'm like, what? Where is it going? And then luckily I had to shout his name. I didn't even know his name, and stop him, and then I came back. So yeah, I really thought that I thought that my voice left this world, but it didn't. So yeah, let's see you all later.
शक्तियों से सजा रहे हैं, इसलिए आप भी
Guys, so these people are telling me that side there is Pakistan border and then India-Pakistan border, and then military people will just come and start shooting you if you go there. So we're not going to do any of it. That I will take the horse and go and attack the military people of Pakistan, but I wouldn't do that because I'm a very peaceful person. But yeah, it's beautiful here. I feel like I've come to Lal Bagh or Cubbon Park, but the only difference is there are huge mountains here. Yeah, so bye. Peacocks behind. Let me show. Guys, this is where I'm staying. It says the Platinum House. Where is it? It says it is. Let me just show you. It's called the Platinum House. So I'm staying here, and let me show you. You get chai and all those things in the afternoon. And there's another building which is called Brahma Bhojanalaya where we get food, and that's a place where we meditate. This is colony called as the Anand Sarovar where people stay, and then there are other colonies as well, and we'll be going towards that side after some time where I'll be showing you a few places. I might not be able to talk, maintaining the silence of the place. So yeah, see ya. I'm just gonna drink some chai now. So y'all, you get the chai in. So there are these tankers. You just have to go and fill. There are several kinds of coffee, but you get coffee without sugar, chai without sugar, with sugar, some milk also. So I'm gonna drink this now, and then I will show you a different part of this. That is the opposite side in some time. Just this is the time where I haven't vlogged, of course, a lot because I was just so busy with these programs that we had. But yeah, I mean, if you see, I love spending time on this. There are several, like every what do you say, like every 100 meters, less than 100 meters or whatever, there are swings like these, and I enjoy. It's just so calm and refreshing sitting on the swing. So yeah, another complex inside. So here also a lot of people can stay. So this is the complex. But I don't stay here. I stay at the Anand Sarovar, and there is accommodation. These people have their own studio over here. So yeah, luckily this complex is behind where I stay, and I'm like in the front of the mountain. This is backside of the mountain. So yeah, this is pretty similar, but the only thing is this looks like more colonized than where I stay. That is built 8 years before. This is built, I think before, like after that, mostly. So yeah. See also, basically there are like these complexes, and inside these complexes there are several buildings, like say Brahmalok and all those. There are different names to each building, and yeah, hopefully I get cold water here. There are water stands like this. There's some construction going on, so I'm not gonna drink water. So yeah, every complex has its own auditorium that we have. It's called as Atma Anubhuti Auditorium. There's one auditorium here. Then there's this main place that was built initially that's called Shanti Van. I'll have to take you all after this, so I'll go. That's beautiful. It's like has beautiful architecture and beautiful thing. Like this is very small compared to that, even though this is like really big, but compared to that these things are smaller. So yeah, and the other day when I went towards from here, I think it's about 1 hour journey. When I went up, when where I saw all the lake and stuff, there basically is where the founder of this organization, as I told you, started this foundation in the year 1950s, in the 1950s, somewhere around that time. Yeah, now it's become so huge. This place can accommodate around 25,000 people to stay, like the whole 25,000 people can stay at once. And there are several dining halls. There's one dining hall which is one of the biggest, which can accommodate around 5,000 people to eat their food at once. So I'll be showing you that place soon. See ya. Thanda ganne ka juice, and there is like a huge market around here. So I'm not gonna take anything because I already have stuff. And there's this kiddo who's working outside, so he's gonna make me some cold. भैया वो अच्छे पानी में धोया है ना आपने? So we're gonna drink some of this juice. The place that I'm in is another complex called Shantivan, and over here also there are a lot of houses like Kamal Kunj and various other places. Now there's like I've told, like there are various complexes. There is a kitchen as well. This is the kitchen. So the food is, it's like a huge complex. If y'all could see, it's like a complex where they prepare food for us. There is transport accommodation at each issues, and their legs can like travel through that. Now apparently I'm just enjoying the peace here, and yeah, I mean in the night at the Diamond Hall that I showed y'all, looks really beautiful. So I'm going to capture a few clips of that. Then I shall head towards eating food. And yeah, so I'll be leaving tomorrow morning towards Bangalore at say around 7 a.m. in the morning, because we have to board a flight from Udaipur that is around 3 hours from here. So yeah, see you. Again, assuming this is a kitchen. Yeah, so I'm just assuming it is a kitchen. It is a kitchen. So yeah, here the food is prepared for around 5,000 people. There are people dancing here. I am eating some parathas. These are like different parathas. I don't know, they look like pizza. So I'm gonna try these. Bye bye Udaipur. See y'all soon. I am in the Bangalore airport, and it is one of the most beautiful airports. It is just like so good. Look at those. We collected our bags and we're just waiting for one of our fragile items to come. We had got some translites from where we had gone. This is definitely better than the Udaipur airport. But yeah, the airport in Udaipur is also not that bad. So yeah, works great. Hello you guys, I am back to Nammauru, Bengaluru, and I just love the weather here. I just love the ambience, and it gives me a very homely vibe. I can finally see something similar to me, but regardless of that, Mount Abu was a different journey in itself. It was a very spiritual, self-discovering journey, which was very necessary for me when I'm about to turn 20. So my 20s are gonna start. So yeah, I'll see you all at home. I'm gonna take some rest today, and tomorrow I I will be going somewhere out. Maybe I'm not sure. I have to go somewhere out. So yeah, see ya. Bye. See you at home.